Staying with Karnataka, there's a big protest against the recent fuel price hike in the state of Karnataka. The BJP today staged a demonstration against increase in prices of petrol and diesel by the Congress Siddaramaiah government. BJP leaders who are in the opposition were seen on a bullock cart in order to show their resentment towards the move. This is, of course, a cyclical phenomenon. Whoever is in power and has to increase the rates of fuel faces a backlash from the opposition in some manner or the other. The BJP said that increased prices are a burden on commuters and will add to the misery of the people. The party further called it a crime. They're demanding the Congress roll back the price hike to provide some relief. Siddaramaiah, the chief minister, however, has defended with data.
Well, the BJP leaders have taken to a creative way of protesting on the streets of Bengaluru. That's the BJP's leader of opposition, R. Ashok, and the entire crew of Bengaluru MLAs from the BJP who have gathered here, coming on a bullock cart. And the main reason for the protest is being reported that against the hike in fuel prices that was put forth by the Karnataka Congress government, they are demanding and remaining steadfast in their protest that they will not budge down unless and until the fuel hike price is revoked. They are stating that the government has deliberately increased the prices of fuel only to fill its empty coffers that was extinguished because of the 5 guarantees that the Congress government has promised, and they've now taken to the streets, taking it in a creative way by actually coming to the protest site in Bengaluru on a bullock cart, symbolically stating that they stand with the farmers, they're against the hike in fuel prices, and they are going to protest unless and until the fuel hike prices isn't revoked. Camera person Shibu, Anaga Keshav reporting for India Today from Bangalore.
We have raised on petrol sale tax 3 rupees on petrol and 3 rupees on diesel. Still, we are less than the neighboring states' rates. See, the BJP people, for political reasons, they are making this as an issue. They are making this as an issue. When Narendra Modi ji raised additional excise duty on petrol and diesel, they are keeping quiet.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ದರವನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಸಿದ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾರಿಗೆಯವರು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬರುವಂಥ ದಿವಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಬದುಕೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಅಕ್ಷಮ್ಯ ಅಪರಾಧ. ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಜನರ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈಗಲಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಏರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ದರವನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒತ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
Next also we will all over Karnataka we will Rasta Roko, we will do Rasta Roko. In Vidhan Sabha cycle rally we will do. In assembly also we will fight.
Why sir? Why?
It is the petrol hike. Siddaramaiah told we will not raise any petrol, diesel. Before the power, after the election of parliament, they illegally raise the petrol and diesel. This is a non-democratic government.
Is it not a highest price, sir? Which is in
entire in Delhi low price, Meghalaya low, Uttar Pradesh low. In Karnataka only worst government. This is only for the ATM for Congress party.
The Congress came to the power in the state of Karnataka by quoting, by referring and addressing the issue of price rise and price rise and inflation. But from the time they have come to the power, the only thing they have been doing is price rise.
ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಗೃಹಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಯೋಜನೆ ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ದುಡ್ಡಿಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿ ಈಗ ಅದೇ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಜನಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ ತೆರಿಗೆ ವಿಧಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ವಸೂಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಿದೆ.